Hello everybody, how's everything going? We are here to attend National Hardware Show and my booth is in Las Vegas Convention Center West Hall. Let's go. Welcome to our booth. Let me show you our products and make a brief introduction of our product. Okay, the first one is this product is called RooTrimmer, which is very popular among our customers. You can see this carry tree weighs 4 inch. This is called perfect tree. And this tree is very sturdy. I love it. Okay, let me show you the next one. This product, you can see that the bottom is a cherry tree, which we call TD542, and there's a tall ear domain. On the top, there's an adjustable width. You can adjust it according to your request. Since the domain is very tall, the height is around 7 inches. So which allows the plants have more space to grow. This pot is 2.7-inch wireless pot, and this is shadow tree. Some customers also call it carry tree. And the last one, this is water collection tree. So you can use them like this one. For this shuttle tree, we have 2 colors available. One is white, another is black. Okay, next one. It's another kit. You can see that this one is 62 cells plastic leather tree, and this one is the standard 10-20 trees. We can use them together like this way. Okay, another one. Because we have 2 different kinds of 72 cell plastic laser trees, so we got 2 different carry trees. This one is called shallow 10-20 plastic tree. You can see that. Perfect. Okay, please don't forget our brand, RooTrimmer.